Hello students, I am Mr Shivkumar sir. Once again I am here to introduce you English grammar, and today's our topic name is find the tense practice examples based on Group D perfect continuous tense. Before that, do not forget to subscribe, like, share and subscribe my channel, and even you will get to solve practice examples on my Telegram channel. Let's begin. Here first example, perfect continuous tense. Perfect continuous tense means here you will find action will be perfect as well as continuous. We have three tenses in group D, that is present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous and future perfect continuous. But there is a special idea to identify them, to name them, and it is based on the most important, our focus must be on helping verbs and main verb. If we focus on helping verbs and main verbs, definitely we are able to name the tense. Otherwise it's not possible. Subject and object, or subject and complement, these are compulsory element in any content. That is why we must, if we want to solve name the tense or identify tense activity, it doesn't matter whether it belongs to perfect continuous tense or perfect tenses or continuous tenses or simple tenses. Our focus must be on main verbs and helping verbs. That's all. So here I have been working in the office. This is the given sentence, and we want to name the sentence. We want to name the tense of this sentence. So how? Here see, I is subject, have been is helping verb, and before. Have been plus before. It's a formula of present perfect continuous. So its answer is present perfect continuous. This will be the answer. And why have we called this present perfect continuous? Because have been plus before, or have has been plus before. It's a formula of present perfect continuous. Therefore, if you watch my channel continuously, definitely you will get more practice. Then second one, she had been dancing on the stage. Here had been plus before. Had been plus before. It's a formula of past perfect continuous. Therefore, answer is here past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous tense. And third one, I shall have been starting my project from next month. So here shall have plus been plus before. Shall have been, this is helping verb, and starting is before. So shall have been or will have been plus before. It's a formula of future perfect continuous. तुमने मेरे टेंस सीरीज में पहले ही तुमने उसको उसका स्टडी किए वाला है. So answer is here future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous. Why do we call it perfect? Because been is added. Why do we call it continuous? Because before is added. That's all. And the last one, I have been teaching English since 14 years. So here have has plus been plus before. Have has plus been plus before. This is the formula of present perfect continuous. So its answer is present perfect continuous. Okay. And if you want to become perfect in name the tense, so do not forget to watch my all the tense episode series. That will help you to solve such type of examples. So my dear students, if you like my video, do not forget to subscribe, like, share and subscribe my channel. Even go for Telegram channel. You will get to solve practice examples. Thank you.